This will be a sign to you. You will find a baby wrapped in clothes and lying in a manger. Luke 2:12.
That's what I'm talking about.
Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing a long-awaited, it is definitely time for our 2024, did I say that right? 2024 Christmas Decorate with Me. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome to the channel. And of course, if you guys are already a part of the N&M family, I want to welcome you back to the channel. I can't wait to get started. We are going to be decorating all the way back there in our living room. We are also going to be touching parts and pieces. Hopefully before the end of the week we will get everything. We're gonna do the whole kitchen. We will be doing our peninsula island right behind me, and we will also be doing our coffee bar. So if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and of course join in on all the fun. This is the area that we are going to be working with. I already did Christmas decor for this season on the coffee table. Now, this is all messed up. When you have children, you're constantly fixing and fixing and fixing. I'm not sure if I'm going to change this. I'm just looking to the side here and I see that I forgot to remove this tab. If you notice, we have a different setup. So we change everything around. I wanted to change it to accommodate the Christmas tree, which by the way, kept me up all night last night trying to fix the lights because I figured out that it was not put together correctly. The boys helped me out with that. They didn't string the plugs together right. So I thought this is the reason why the Christmas tree lights are not working. But it seems like all the lights actually work. We would have to like rearrange the whole tree, and I just strung the tree with lights the other day. I was like, Nick, we're not gonna do all of this because that's just way too much. I would have to unstring and put the whole entire tree together. We are going to be working in this area right here, and we are gonna be doing the shelving. I'm gonna do something over here at the windows, and later on today, which you guys will see in another video, I am going to be doing my Christmas tree decor, and I'm so excited about that. As you can see, I still have a little bit of fall going on the shelves back there. I may just incorporate what I have and kind of mix it into what's already there, or I may kind of do the whole entire thing. I'm thinking I probably have to do the whole thing over once again, just start with a clean slate because I don't think it's going to work. I have absolutely no clue how this is all gonna turn out. I'm excited to see what I come up with. Often when I wanna decorate, I kind of have a vision in my head, at least for the colors, but I don't know how everything is going to turn out all the way. That table right there is a DIY project that I completed. There is another table and I'll probably show it to you in the vlog. I'll probably do the same color, but I'll put it in a different location. We will be decorating that in a vlog. This is what I am working with. I was saying to myself the other day, I went to my storage unit and I literally felt like I was at Home Goods. So these are items, some are new to this year and some I've curated over the past few years. There's even items on the ground. And then I have the buckets over on this side. So I'm pretty empty. I still have to do my entryway table back here, but it's better late than never. I'm kind of embarrassed that I'm doing this so late, but I feel like even if the kids get 1 or 2 weeks of Christmas, it's better than nothing. Better late than never. A couple of weeks of just looking at the Christmas decor, it's better than nothing. We are going to get started. Don't forget to like the video. Please like the video. Subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's get decorating.
Feeling alone, kinda misty, waiting now for you to come. It's colder again, but I know we'll be warm, sitting by the fire and dream. Tell me again with a whisper, little things that I wanna hear, and the stars up above are smiling when they see you holding me so near. I see snowflakes on the chimneys, and the candles have a certain glow, a secret and a song, even church bells sing along, and the children making angels in the snow. Oh, what a gift to be given. How lucky can this old heart be? And I fall into peace and silence on a very special Christmas Eve. Tell me again with a whisper, little things that I wanna hear, and the stars up above, they are shining with love, listening to this song playing on, listening to this song playing on. Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of the dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and error pining, till he appeared and the Spirit felt its worth. A thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Fall on your knees. Oh, hear the angel voices. Oh, night divine, the night when Christ was born. Oh, night, oh, holy night. Oh, night divine. Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round yon virgin mother and child. Holy infant, so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace. Sleep in heavenly peace. Silent night, holy night, shepherds quake at the sight, glory stream from heaven afar. Heavenly hosts singing Alleluia. Christ the Savior is born. Christ the Savior is born. Silent night, holy night, Son of God, love's pure light, radiant beams from thy holy face. With the dawn of redeeming grace, Jesus, Lord, at thy birth. Jesus, Lord, at thy birth. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and